Yay, we're going to walk. We're going to walk, Boo-Boo.
Which way do you want to go?
Let's go.
This way?
Like this way. We're going, to, walk a doggy. And, yeah. Hey guys, so we're done with our walk. I'm walking Brady, and I'm gonna give Brady some water. There. Here's the puppy, doing so good. Just ate his breakfast, and I ate my breakfast. Here's Daddy and my dad's self. I'm just laying right here, petting him and stretching. Good doggy.
Should we get dressed and take a walk?
Yep, we're going to take a walk, and okay, so I'm babysitting the doggy. Name is Boo Boo. Come on, Boo Boo. Right now. His parents is maybe on a trip, and we're watching it for maybe for a weekend. What are you doing, Boo Boo? I got some Instagram pics and videos. Check my Instagram. And is NJ Caspon. So yeah. Brady. Brady.